feeling lost? Want to tap in to higher guidance? Well, stay tuned, because in this video, you're gonna learn all about the power of synchronicity and how to use it to harness your inner guidance. I've been using this technique for years, and it's gotten to the point where now I can think about something and it will materialize. If you're excited to dive in, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and check out the links in the description below to receive your free guide and to learn more about working with me and the other side in one-on-one virtual sessions. The first step to a daily synchronicity practice is to notice the synchronicities in your life. Synchronicity can be subtle, and oftentimes it arrives in the form of repeated numbers, seeing animals that you don't normally see, getting messages from people out of the blue, and in your dreams. The second step in your synchronicity practice is to write them down. For example, today I woke up at 4:44 on the clock. Or I saw a big spider. Or the other day, the coolest thing happened. A picture of an elephant popped up on my Facebook page, me with an elephant 8 years ago. The thought came into my head, oh, I should go see Saraswati, the temple elephant. And within 5 minutes, I started seeing elephant poo on the road. So I thought again, oh, this is a sign I should go see the temple elephant. Within 10 minutes, the elephant came walking down the road. The next step in your synchronicity practice is to go home and research. So in that example, I went home and I Googled the spiritual significance of elephants. And what I found in my research is that elephants signify wisdom, charging through blockages, strength, determination, power, stability, peace, and quiet courage. After I did my research and I found out the qualities of the elephant, I asked, okay, how can I embrace this into my daily life? Is this helpful for me today? Is this exactly what I'm needing to feel more powerful, to feel more confident, to feel more protected? And sure enough, it was exactly what I needed. I can now visualize the elephant energy, call it in, and feel those qualities as my own. Another synchronicity that happens a lot is seeing repeated numbers. For example, today I woke up at 4:44 on the clock. How you would do this as a practice is in your morning writing, in your synchronicities, write down, today I woke up at 4:44. Then take it to the next step and Google the spiritual significance of 4:44. And in your Googling, pick and choose what most resonates for you in 2 or 3 of your research answers. For example, what I got for 4:44 was, this is a sign that a loved one is trying to contact you. You're on the right track. Keep developing your gifts. So I can take that guidance and use that and say, thank you. Okay, I'm on the right track. Recognizing synchronicities in your everyday life, writing them down, and then researching to get the full answer is a daily synchronicity practice that I do every day. And if you're wanting to get more guidance in your life and more connection with the other side, it's a great way to feel like you're never alone. You're always being guided if you take the time to really look and pay attention and listen and honor the synchronicity that is popping up all the time throughout your day. The next step in your synchronicity practice is reviewing the synchronicities that have happened so far. So going back through all of your notebooks and checking out, how did those synchronicities that happened actually affect your life in a positive way? Were they accurate? Did they give you the exact guidance you needed right then? And doing this helps you to manifest even more synchronicity in your life. It helps to give you more confidence that you are actually being guided. And it helps to know that where you are is exactly where you're meant to be, or perhaps it is sending you in a different direction. Learning to tap into synchronicities, using them as signs and guidance from the other side, and noticing and honoring the synchronicities opens you up to the magic and the miracles that are available to us every single day, taking you out of your normal rut that maybe you're in, or maybe you're feeling lost. Tapping in to a daily synchronicity practice will help you to feel guided, to feel the magic of life, and to know that you are never, ever alone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and check out the links to get your free guide and to find out more about working with me on the other side in one-on-one virtual sessions. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.